So, is this the copper plumbing?
This is actually the water main. So it's coming
That's water
from,
main.
that's where the water is going to come in
Okay.
to the house.
Okay.
And this is the main line.
Okay.
And then it's going to branch out to different locations.
Okay. So Zach, there are so many pipes here. What are they for?
All right, so the black ABS, that's where all your wastewater goes.
Yes.
The copper, those are all the intake water. Tell me why we have those black things wrapped around the copper line?
Insulation?
Insulation for the hot water.
Yes.
Exactly.
What's that pink thing for?
These are anchor bolts and hold downs. This particular one is hold down. This is how it ties the walls to the foundation.
Ah, interesting.
So a tornado is not going to yank the house apart. You look very tall, by the way.